Hello friends, this is Professor DIY. This is a channel update to explain to you why we've not updated for the last few days. Unfortunately, me and Mrs. DIY and one of our sons have COVID and we are recovering from it. We appreciate that we were not able to upload anything for you. Today is the first time that I felt well enough to actually upload even this update. We hope you will understand and you forgive us this interruption that was completely unintended. We wish you and yours a very healthy time, and even though COVID as an emergency has passed, let us still be vigilant. The disease is still out there. Our son got really a very hard case of it, and me, moderate, and Mrs. DIY probably the lightest. But we are on the mend, we hope, and we're going to keep you updated. From Professor DIY, let's build something together.